Hello my loves, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're making a warm and cozy classic, Rum Raisin Bread Pudding with a buttery Wray Nephew rum sauce. It's rich, nostalgic, and absolutely perfect for the holiday season, so let's get into it. My raisins have already been soaking in Wray Nephew for about 30 minutes, and they're perfect, juicy, and full of bold rum flavor. Now I'm greasing my casserole dish, and then I'm going to cut up some soft brioche bread into cubes. Arrange the cubes right into the dish. Nothing too perfect, just natural and rustic. And if you're feeling a little fancy, you can use the brown parts of the brioche and sprinkle them on top. Well, not sprinkle, but add them on top to make that checkered look. Now next we are going to get another bowl and whisk together whole milk, heavy cream, eggs, brown sugar, melted butter, vanilla, cinnamon, nutmeg, and you can use a touch of allspice as well, and a tiny pinch of salt. It should be silky, cozy, and smell like pure holiday warmth. Pour that custard all over the brioche, then gently pat the bread down so it soaks up every drop. This is what gives you that soft melt in your mouth texture. Now sprinkle your rum-soaked raisins on top. Make sure they touch every corner. Cover loosely with foil and bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. Then uncover and bake for another 15 minutes until the top is golden and lightly set. While that's baking, let's make the butter rum sauce. In a saucepan, melt your butter, add brown sugar and let it soften. Pour in that Wray Nephew rum from the soaked raisin and then add heavy cream. Let it simmer until smooth and glossy and finish with a little vanilla. It's warm, buttery, and honestly, it tastes like the holidays in sauce form. Now that the bread pudding is out of the oven, golden soft and smelling unreal, I already have a slice cut, and now I am going to drizzle that warm butter rum sauce right over the top. Let it sink into every nook and cranny. This is the moment that silences everyone around the table. Alright loves, that's it for today. Rum Raisin Bread Pudding, warm, nostalgic, and holiday ready. If you try it, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.